Hi, and welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm sharing another small business tutorial with you. In this video, I quickly show you how I make my paper pouches in Cricut Design Space. You can use these as an alternative to boxes if you sell small items such as jewelry and other accessories. Providing customers with samples is another benefit of using them. If you'd like to see how they're made, keep watching. Open Design Space and start a new project. Select a square and make the size 7.5 by 4.5. Change the color to white. I'm going to move this out of the way in preparation for the bottom flap. So I'm going to select a hexagon and a square. Now I'm placing the hexagon on the X and Y axis at 0, and I'm going to place the square on the X at 0 and the Y at 0.87. And now what I'm going to do is select both of these, and I'm going to slice because I only need this top section. So select all and then click on slice. And now I'm going to remove the sections I don't need and just delete. Okay, and I'm going to move this down here, and I'm going to change the size to 3.5 by 0.5. And I'm also going to flip it vertical. So I'm going up to flip and flip vertical. And I'm going to change the color to white. Now I'm going to place the square back on the X and Y axis at 0. Place the flap on the X axis at 0 and the Y at 4.5. Now I have these two shapes and I need to combine them to form one shape. So what I'm going to do is select all and then click on weld to form one shape. Now it's time to add the score lines. So I'm going over to shapes to select a score line, and I'm going to make the size 4.5, and I'm going to place it on the X at 3.5 and the Y at 0. I need to duplicate the score line, so I'm going over to the layers panel and clicking on duplicate, and I'm going to place this one on the X at 7 and the Y at 0. And I need one more score line, so I'm going over to the layers panel, select a score line and duplicate. And I need to change the size of this one, so I'm going up to size to change this to 3.5. And I also need to rotate it 90 degrees. And I'm going to place it on the X at 0 and the Y at 4.5. Now, as you can see, I placed the score line on the X axis at 0, but somehow it moved. So make sure it's on 0. So now what I'm going to do is select all of this and then click on attach. Now I'm going to duplicate this. So I'm going over to the layers panel to select duplicate. Now, I use several types of paper, but for this tutorial, I'll be using cardstock and vellum as examples. For this size, I'll be able to get 2 per sheet using 8.5 by 11 paper. Now I'm going to select Make It, and I'll be back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment if there's a topic you'd like to see. Remember, appreciate your progress, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.